So today, I think I'm finally going to split up this Bromeliad because it has, I believe, 5 pups. 3, 4, 5. That seems right. I think it's starting to choke off the main plant. And I'm also going to split these little babies up in the dates. I've got 5 for sure growing, and I think that one in the middle actually has a root. This one right there, but we'll see. But I will report back in a moment. So taking a sharp knife, I cut these as close to the base of the mother plant as possible. They all look pretty good. This one's a little bit of a runt. Gave the mother plant a little extra soil because I'm sure supporting 6 plants in one small pot has not been great, but they look pretty good. So I'm going to pot them up and see how they do. So because bromeliads are epiphytic, which means they don't need soil to grow, they grow in the air. I planted them with some orchid mix in here, which keeps it a little airier. And I'll keep them watered and see how they grow. Now we do the dates. So cool to see. I've started shaking some of the soil out. Look how deep they've gone. It's a little hard to see, but the seed itself is still attached at the top, but they've gone so deep before they grew these leaves. It's going to be a little tough to get them out of these jars, but you know, onward. Look how beautiful they are. These ones are a little tricky. I wish they hadn't grown together, but I love seeing them. So I was wrong about there being a 6th one growing, but I've got 5 dates. 5 cute little babies. From pits that I got in the grocery store that I ate. It's very weird. But they all look really good. This is the runt right now for sure. Cute little guy. But I'm gonna keep an eye on them and hopefully they'll grow. Hopefully they don't grow to be 50 feet, like apparently they could. Didn't think that part through. But that's an issue for later, like decades later, maybe. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this this little ride, and I'll update you with garden stuff soon.